Hello, all you angels out there. This is your Shonda and Angel Style. Kisses. How are you guys doing tonight? Let me make sure I adjust this correctly because I want you guys to be able to see this food. So, still in New York vlogging, and I am at Public House Judge Roy Bean, and we are waiting for some delicious burgers. I got a burger. She got a salmon burger. And I got a burger with bacon. So we're gonna see what JBW. So we're gonna see what that's gonna be like. So how are you guys doing today? I am doing great. And just enjoying New York. Just came from her photo shoot and it was amazing. So definitely stay tuned. You know, here's our food now.
Now, girls.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Enjoy.
Barbecue sauce. Excuse me, ma'am. Can we have barbecue? Yes, ma'am. Share a prayer. Oh, my bad. My bad. She wiped it though. Thank you for this food. About to see for nothing our body. For Christ's sake. Amen. So, she has a salmon burger. This is a regular beef burger, right? You'll show me the salmon burger? And it ain't even done, but we're gonna see if it's okay. We're gonna go ahead and eat that on up. Cause I ain't never scared. Her sandwich. Yeah, that's good. Oh. Right there. Hey. So we're gonna see what this is like. Ooh, cheese and everything is just melting straight off. Cheese and everything. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Try to win this?
Absolutely amazing.
That's what it is.
So with your salmon burger. Delicious. Got some delicious fries here. Homemade. Okay, dip it in that barbecue sauce.
Oh, is it a VA? No.
A dip sauce.
What? No way. Really good. I'm drinking on lemonade. What are you drinking on? Pinot Grigio. She's drinking on some Pinot Grigio. It has lettuce, tomato, cheese. That has 2 types of cheese on it. Yummo. Yummy. Right.
The Shack last night paid for a bounce.
We should have done that.
Absolutely delicious.
Our senior year we would have done something.
I know everything goes in that dip sauce.
We already did some fun. We literally redefined.
Yeah.
Rewrote
Yeah, change the
the game.
Barbecue sauce is really good. It's fries.
Providence was great. Great. In the area we lived in. We went to PC, I would not say Providence.
This is not gonna be a real long video, you guys. A real quick vlog. You guys know how delicious. You should try it. You guys come out to the New York area.
I liked it too. It's like very like classic versus promising.
Yeah, what part are we in?
Very
Dickinson was
classic, like
very
college.
like middle of nowhere, but kind of middle of nowhere, Pennsylvania, like college town.
Yeah. Like most of the town was catered towards the city, like the business kind of. It was really fun, but COVID like shut down one of the main bars and seniors went to, so I never got to do that. I wouldn't tell like if someone who wasn't an athlete was a fan.
Delish.
Then I'd say go.
You want to try this?
But if they were an athlete, I'd be like, go. It's really fun.
I'm gonna try a little sliver off of it.
Yeah, I would
How
say
is
so
it?
too. That's like the main difference, I would say.
Definitely a better non-athlete school than athlete school, but still.
It's fried her at the bottom.
Ladies, you okay over there?
Yes, sir.
House parties. It said also that was after my freshman year they took away off-campus housing, so then teams would double dip.
This burger, absolutely
And after COVID, like
amazing. Judge Roy Bean, guys. Check it out.
They have to this like brewery called Moon's Nest. They gave them so much business. It was insane. We rented.
How was your
out
salmon burger?
Like it was our CPA, and like rented out Bird's Nest, and it was fun. But like I couldn't have done that for the week. It was only half a semester, so it was fun.
We would have had no fun with that house.
Your guys' house parties got crowded and very good.
I mean, they weren't always like that before.
Absolutely amazing.
Really crowded. The staircase at one
I just have
of them,
not been used to that.
I never got to go to a shack party.
It was way more crowded.
Get crowded. But we got water.
Lemonade. Fresh squeezed, really good and sour.
Shack was 10 times crowded.
Yes. Feeling this?
Thank you.
You missed out.
Never got the honor.
You're going for like 28. You'll come to a Brown alumni game. I'll be the hero. You should back.
Just if you guys are in New York, definitely stop by.
Those sticks.
Check this place out. Delicious burgers, you guys. And home cooked fries.
You just do TikTok.
Till next time, Angel Style.
28's gonna do it.
Kisses. Bye, you guys.
28's a peak of beauty.
I'll be
All
dead.
the